Hey, good morning to you. It's wonderful to see you this morning. I'm down here on the beach a little bit later than normal. It's 6:05, I think, and sunrise is 6:17. So we will actually, with any luck, the sun might be in a position now that we can see it coming up better. If not, within the next few weeks, it'll be moving, or the earth will be moving, so that we can actually see the sun better. But we do see the sunlight coming through now. And I talk way too much. Let's take a walk on the beach. Don't you just love this? Beach artwork at its best. I love that somebody would find that and think to turn it upside down and put it in the sand. Well, I was slow moving this morning, I'll tell you. I got out of bed. I felt like I could hardly move. We went down island yesterday, and I really think all that jostling in the truck, because the roads are wicked out here. I think that's what does it to me. So I thought, well, I sure won't be going for the beach walk this morning. And then I thought, boy, I'd hate to miss that. So you know what I did? I pulled out my wall Pilates and I did almost a half hour uh, of the exercises. I feel great. I really do. I think that's the key, is to, just like they all say, keep moving. It's true. It really is true. So I'm just going to keep walking now, showing you what I see. I'm going to turn the camera around again. So it's 6:14 now. That sun should be making her appearance at any time. Um, Probably, I'm thinking maybe a little bit later than that by the time she actually makes it up above all those trees and the hills. But, eventually the sun's going to be coming up right out here where my finger is. And it's just amazing to see it come up out of the water. I'm sure many of you have seen that before. Uh, so I'm waiting for that time. I hope we're still here. Well, forget that. Let's not even talk about us moving right now. Let's just concentrate on enjoying this. This is a great time of life, a great time of the year. I was cold again this morning, man. 71 degrees. Had my sweatshirt on. And it warmed up to about 75 now. It warmed up fast. So I'm glad about that. So I'm going to turn this around again and walk a little closer to home, and we'll see what we can see with the sun. Hang in there. So here's this piece of driftwood artwork that somebody put up yesterday. I thought I'd stand behind it, take a picture as it's looking out to sea. I think this is astounding. Let's turn the camera around and see what we get. Here's the log I sit on many days just to have some quiet reflection out to sea. Now I see a crab hole is down here. You see that? And it looks to me like there's a crab hole. And it looks like some dogs have been digging right there. Probably mine. Trying to get at the crab. That's funny. So I think I'll have a sit down and just ponder the sea a bit. Join me. Have a good day, everyone. Enjoy it. Make the most of all the moments we have. Take good care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining.